Good morning, students. Today first I will discuss about the questions that is based on previous video. What is internet? The internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. With the internet, it's possible to access almost any information, communicate with anyone else in the world, and do much more. You can do all of this by connecting a computer to the internet, which is also called going online. What is LAN? A local area network is a collection of devices connected together in one physical location, such as a building, office, or home. A LAN can be small or large, ranging from a home network with one user to an enterprise network with thousands of users and devices in an office or school. Next, what is modem? Modem is short for modulator demodulator. It is a hardware component that allows a computer or another device, such as a router or switch, to connect to the internet. It converts or modulates an analog signal from a telephone or cable wire to digital data, ones and zeros that a computer can recognize. Similarly, it converts digital data from a computer or other device into an analog signal that can be sent over standard telephone lines. Next question, what is the use of network interface card? A network interface card connects your computer to a local data network or the internet. The card translates computer data into electrical signals. It sends through the network. The signals are compatible with the network so computer can reliably exchange information. Advantages and disadvantages of a computer network. Advantages of network. Resource or data sharing. One of the most important uses of networking is to allow the sharing of data. People can people can share files, spreadsheets, documents, presentations, audio files, video files, etc. with other users. Central storage of data. Files can be stored on a central node, means in file server, that can be shared and made available to each and every user in an organization. Hardware sharing. It allows sharing hardware components such as printers, scanners, etc. Anyone can connect to a computer network. There is a negligible range of abilities required to connect to a modern computer network. The effortlessness of joining makes it workable for even youthful kids to start exploiting the data. Cost effective. Using networking, one printer can be shared among multiple users, significantly reduce the cost of purchasing hardware. Faster problem solving. Since an extensive procedure is disintegrated into a few littler procedures and each is taken care of by all the associated gadgets, an explicit issue can be settled in lesser time. Reliability implies backing up of information due to some reason, equipment crash, and so on. The information gets undermined or inaccessible on one PC. Another duplicate of similar information is accessible on another workstation for future use, which prompts smooth working and further handling without interruption. Usage of network-based application. Network provides communication medium to people such as web browsers, email, instant messengers, audio and video conferencing. It is highly flexible. The innovation is known to be truly adaptable as it offers clients the chance to investigate everything about fundamental things, for example, programming without influencing their usefulness. Reduce data redundancy. Duplication of data is reduced as data is stored centrally. Security through authorization. Security and protection of information is additionally settled through system, as just the system clients are approved to get to specific records or applications. No other individual can crack the protection or security of information. Disadvantages of network, computer network. Security issues. Since there are many users sharing the same resources, it is important to keep the data secure. If a PC system principal server separates, the whole framework would end up futile. Also, if it has a bridging device or a central linking server that fails, the entire network would also come to a stand. Hacking. There is a danger of hacking, and security measures like firewalls are needed to prevent it. PC organizing includes a procedure that is work utilizing PCs, so individual will depend a greater amount of PC work rather than applying an exertions for their jobs that needs to be done. Cost of network. The expense of executing the system, including cabling and equipment, can be expensive. Virus and malware. On the off chance that even one PC on a system gets contaminated with an infection, there is a possibility for alternate frameworks to get uh, tainted as well. Infections can spread on a system effectively in view of the between availability of different gadgets. Lack of independence. Next, component of a network, computer network components. Computer network components are the major parts which are needed to install the software. Some important network components are NIC, switch, cable, hub, router, and modem. Depending on the type of network that we need to install, some network components can also be removed. NIC. It is a device that enables a computer interacts with another computer on the network. It is a necessary part which lets a computer become attached to a network. It may be an external or internal card. You can see there are two types of NIC, means network interface card, wired and wireless. Wired NIC is present inside the motherboard. Cables and connectors are used with wired NIC to transfer data. And wireless, the wireless NIC contains the antenna to obtain the connection over the wireless network. Example, laptop computer contains the wireless NIC. Next, hub. Hub is the most basic networking device that connects multiple computers or other network devices together. Two computers cannot interact with each other directly. They need an interface through which they can send and receive data. Next, switch. A switch is an intelligent hub as it transmits the data only to the computer it is intended for. A switch contains more advanced features than hub. The switch contains the updated table that decides where the data is transmitted or not. Switch delivers the message to the correct destination based on the physical address present in the incoming message. Next, router. It is a device used to connect two networks, or you can say it is used to connect a network with an internet connection. When we have two distinct networks or we want to share a single internet connection with multiple computers, we use a router. Next, modem. Modem stands for modulator demodulator. It enables you to connect your computer to the available internet connection over the existing telephone line. The modem turns the digital signals of a computer into modulated electrical signals for transmission over telephone lines, which are then demodulated by another modem at the receivers and into digital data. Communication channel. Data is transferred across the network using the communication channel is different ways. It can be transmitted through wires. Okay, wires. Means guided using different types of cables such as UTP or optical fiber, or unwired means wireless using satellite or microwaves. Server. A server is a computer on the internet that stores huge amount of data and is required to run a website. It is used for sending web pages to a user on the same computer or another computer. The server computer along with its software fulfills the request made by the client computer. What is the internet? A network is a group of computers and other objects which are connected to each other with wires, satellite, or some other medium. When many such networks across the globe are connected to each other for communication, it is called an internet. This internet is the interconnection of a large number of computer networks all over the world that can share information with one another. It is also called an international network. It can also be called as a network of networks. Internet has revolutionized the world and made it into a global village. Information can be shared with someone across the world in a matter of seconds. It is being used by millions of people to share ideas and to search for information on any topic. Now next is what is World Wide Web. World Wide Web is a collection of documents found on the network of computers, means internet. These documents are multimedia documents, which mean they contain text, graphics, audio, video. They also contain hypertext and hyperlinks to other documents on the internet. It is a series of servers interconnected through hypertext. These are the examples of web browsers. Here you can see what is web browser. Web browser is a special software used to access the web and obtain information. It acts as an interface between the user and the World Wide Web. The browser sends your request to the server, which in turn sends back the desired information. Example of different browsers: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Opera, and Maxthon. Homework for today is write two advantages and disadvantages of computer network. What is the difference between hub and switch? Define communication channel. Write short notes on web browser and World Wide Web. Thank you.